In these videos here, I trade on the pre-race horse markets on Betfair. I use small stakes to illustrate one very important point. If you are a beginner trader, you have to start with small stakes. If you try and trade with large stakes, you are guaranteed to lose money. You have to start with small stakes, you have to learn how the market moves, why it moves, and build up your confidence. And that is the purpose of my videos, to show you that even with small stakes, if you just concentrate on getting the trade correct and not focus on the profit, you'll progress really fast, okay? So we'll jump in and do some trading. Okay, we're at Ludlow again. It's a very small field. The favourite has actually just drifted off quite heavily and has drifted past the twos. It's been a fair amount of support for the third here. I would actually almost be inclined to back the favourite here, because this is a good point as a trader to enter. Going from twos into the smaller increments. So I'm probably gonna have to put my money in my mouth this year, because yeah, I mean this is this is obviously a good point to back. It's a short price favorite. It's got a large majority of the market, although it's not very much considering when there's only 4 horses. At this price, I would have thought it would be much higher. So that might be an indication of I should probably exit this trade. See, there's money coming in there for the second favorite. Yeah, I've actually completely lost faith in this trade here. I'm going to try and exit here, and I'm probably going to jump on the back side of this fourth favorite here, because it's actually taking a bit of money. We'll see if I can ride down here, and I'm gonna jump on the back side of one of these two. I'm not sure, because you can see here this second favorite, the third favorite here, did take a bit of money earlier, and then suddenly now it's drifted off again. So yeah, this is a tricky one. I'm not sure. I think I'll just have to wait and see where the money comes and see how it develops. And like I've said in most of my videos, if you're not sure, then just don't trade. Okay. So you see now, I kind of made a mistake here with this one here. But if you make mistakes, just get out. Okay, get out and reset. So I'm going to jump in here on this third favorite here, because it does seem to be taking some money now, and there does seem to be some momentum building. I'll just pop in a few scalps here. So if it goes against me 1 or 2 ticks, then I will just quickly scalp out there. You can see the favorite is continuing to drift off, which is exactly what we want. And we'll just play this by ear and see how this pans out. So you can see this is going in my favor, which is good. I'll put 1 exit there and 1 on 7.5. I'm gonna quickly jump on this. I was going to jump on the favorite there for 100. I just missed it. Look at that. That kind of thing is very annoying when that happens. I was just going to steal one quick little tick there. But that's how it goes sometimes. You can't really help that. You can see this one here is not really doing anything, so I'm probably going to scratch this one off. I'll actually probably scalp out, see if I can scalp out a few £2 stakes there, just to offset that loss a little bit. I will jump on the lay side again of the favorite, because it's actually taken, his market share is actually reducing even more. So I'm going to jump on the lay side, assuming this trend here of drifting off is going to continue. This one here is now coming in. You can see it's taken my first trade there. I am going to jump on the back side here as well of this one, because it's coming out a hell of a lot, very, very fast. I'm going to jump in here with 100 on the 6. because that was a huge drift there. So I had to act quick there just to get in there, because that was a humongous drift. Oops. So that was pretty quick. But you can see that was a massive spike, and when you get a huge spike like that, then it's fairly likely to come crashing back down again. I'll just get out of this trade here. I've got way too many trades open right now. But you can see my trade's been taken here and filled on this third favorite and second favorite. I'll probably just exit this one here. It doesn't look to be going anywhere. I'll just green everything up, or I could leave it. I mean, now I've got, if the favorite doesn't win, I can win £19.50 on the second favorite, £8.50 on the third. I could try and trade this one here to get rid of this loss here, but you know what? It's fairly risky considering the you can see there's large price movements here. No, you know what? I'm just going to green up here. I'm just going to green up and take the £3.50 profit. And again, that was pretty quick. I was trading many horses there at the same time. It's something I normally don't advise because obviously it's too much going on. But with these type of races here, when you got only 4 horses, they are always volatile because when one horse moves, the other one moves, and they're very directly linked together. When I saw that huge spike come in on the second favorite here, and it shot up from like 4.5 up to like over past 6 in a matter of 10 seconds. I had to jump on there with a large stake just because I knew it was going to come back down again, because those kind of huge price movements, especially when you have a small field, it was bound to correct itself. I didn't execute it very well because I was talking and trading at the same time, and I think I had like 3 or 4 positions open. So not the best execution, but when you learn how the market moves, that's the sort of thing you can do pretty quickly. But obviously for me, it's difficult to trade and talk and think and do everything at the same time. So not the best execution on my part. Especially with the favorite here, I missed. Wrong execution the whole way through. But even then, still end up with a profit. Okay, so it goes to show once you learn how the market moves, you can trade, and even when you make a mistake, you can still make a profit. Okay.